Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our maths class children. We are going to do the exercise. Let's do 6A page number 59 and question number 4. First subtract and then round off to the nearest 10 and subtract. So children, we have in continuation with this question, we have done the previous question regarding addition and finding out the estimated value. Similarly, we have to do the subtraction and we have to find the estimated value. So first one is done for us. Now second one, part B, 72 minus 48. So we have to find the actual difference. So 2 minus 8 is not possible. So we will borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 6 minus 4. 5, 6 is 2. So actual difference is 24. Now estimated difference. 72, 2 is smaller than 5. So we will round off it to 70. Now 48. 8 is smaller than 8 is greater than 5. So we will round off to 50. Now the difference 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 7 minus 5 is 2. So actual difference is 24 and estimated difference is 20. Okay children? Now part C. Actual difference. First we will round off 98. 8 is greater than 5. So we will round off to 100. And 4 is smaller than 5. So we will round off to 10. So children, now we will do the actual difference. 8 minus 4 is 4 and 9 minus 1 is 8. So actual difference is 84. Now 10 minus 9 minus 1 is 8. Now 100 minus 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 0 minus 1 is not possible. So we will borrow from here and this become 10 and this becomes 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So it becomes 90. Okay children? Now part D. 65 minus 59. So 5. So we will round off to 70. And 59. 9 is greater than 5. So we will round off to 60. So 5 minus 9 is not possible. So we will borrow from 6 and 6 become 5 and 5 become 15. 15 minus 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. So actual difference is 6 and estimated difference is 10. Okay children? Now part E. 34 minus 20. So 4 is less than 5. So we will make it 30. Round off to 30. Now 20. So we will let it be to 20. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Now here 0 minus 0 is 0 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So children, actual difference is 14 and estimated difference is 10. Okay? Now part F. 52 minus 45. So 2 is less than 5. So we will round off to 50 and 45. So we will round off to 50. Okay children? Now 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we will make it 12 and we will borrow from 5 and 5 becomes 4. So 12 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3, 3, 6 and 1, 7. Okay? And 50 minus 50 is 0. Okay children? So actual difference is 7 and estimated difference is 0. Now we will copy down this question in our class work copy. So let's do question number 4. So copy down question number 4 and copy down part A. So we have copied question number 4, actual difference and estimated difference. So we have copied part A, 65 minus 27. So 5 minus 7 is not possible. So make it 15 and 6 become 5. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's 8. and 5 minus 2 is 3, so 38. Now estimated value 5, so we will make it 70, and 7 is greater than 5, so we will make it as 30. Now 70 minus 30, 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 7 minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 4. So actual difference is 38 and estimated difference is 40. Now part B, 72 minus 48. So 2 is less than 5, so we will round off to 70, and 48. 8 is greater than 5, so we will round off to 50. Okay children? Now 72 minus 48. So 2 minus 8 is not possible, so make it 12 and borrow from 7, it becomes 6. So 12 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4. Now 6 minus 4, 5, 6. So 2. So 24. Now here 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2. So actual difference is 24 and estimated difference is 20. Now part C, 98 minus 14. So 8 minus 4 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, so 84. So 8 is greater than 5, so we will make it 100, and here 4 is less than 5, so we will make it 10. Okay? Now 84. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 is not possible, so make it 10 and make it 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So actual difference is 84 and estimated difference is 90. Okay? Now part D, 65 minus 59. So 5 minus 9 is not possible, so make it 15 and borrow from 6, it becomes 5. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay? Now 5 is greater than 5, so we will round off to 70. 59. 9 is greater than 5, so we will round off to 60. Now 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, so 10. So actual difference is 6 and estimated difference is 10. So we have done part A, B, C and D. Now part E is for your homework and part F is for your homework. Answers I have already given to you, and homework you have to do in your homework copy. And we have done part A, B, C, D in our classwork copy. E and F is for your homework. Complete your homework as well as classwork. We will meet in the next video. Till then, have a great day.